So at Trafford and Stockport College Group, we currently run 37 standards, and we have about 1,000 to 1,100 apprentices at any one time across those standards. It's a mixture of big organisations like Greater Manchester Mental Health and small SMEs.
Our trust actually uses apprentices to upskill the workforce. We find it works better than sending people away to do just particular vocational courses. So they're doing this alongside the role, and it's just the best way to get a well-rounded individual.
My apprenticeship has been a really great experience in all. Challenging at times due to the nature of what I was learning, mapped against the high demands of a job. I am now confident to take on certain situations and circumstances in the workplace, whereas before I don't think I would have felt in that position.
So the key benefits of apprenticeships for employers are that you can recruit people to new positions, entry-level positions in your organisation, or you can also use them to upskill your existing workforce. They can be used for succession planning and planning ahead to make sure that you've got a suitable workforce in 2, 3, 4 years to come.
So as I studied my apprenticeship, I worked as part of a group of other learners, but from different disciplines and different departments. It gave a much broader experience in terms of, well, what I can experience as operational management and where I need to apply situational leadership.
The benefits of that delivery model for an apprentice are that it is flexible around their work. They can go into the virtual learning environment through mindful education at a time that suits them. They can review resources, they can go back and look over lessons that may need some extra support on. And then they can also speak to a tutor when they need to.
Working with Trafford and Stockport College Group and Mindful Education works fantastically, especially in an NHS organisation like ourselves. It gives such a flexible approach for apprentices to be able to study when it's convenient to them. They can do it in a work or home setting.
One of the things that I really loved about the Mindful Education platform was the flexibility that it gave me. I can finish that lesson there and then and go straight into my work setting and almost start to be able to deliver that learning practically as well. So those practical elements will come through. So I think for me and for my employer, that was the perfect solution.
The Mindful Education platform has that flexibility for apprenticeships that again really supports the employers in a way that Trafford wouldn't be able to do solely. It complements the study, it helps elevate the grades, it helps elevate their understanding, and you can see that in the high grades and the outcomes that we're getting, and part of that is because of the fantastic products that we use with Mindful Education.